Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the bug that is called, well, MS Gaming Overlay Message Generator in Windows 11. In general, this is not difficult to do. To do this, you will need to go to the registry editor, right? This is our register of the Redditor, right? We're going to get into it, and here we're going to have to go this way that I have here now. Well, let's do it again for you. To do this, you can go to current user, then to software. Next, you need to sign into Microsoft here. Here it is with Microsoft. Here with Microsoft, we will have to open Windows. Here it is, open Windows. Here we will have to open current version, and in current version, game DVR. That's it. And here perhaps you will already have it, but I don't. We need to create a 32-bit word. That's it. Click on it and it will be called Up Capture Enabled. Go into it and cross it. Put a 0. Click OK and restart the computer. And this is usually the solution to your issue. Weller was with you. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye everyone.